Welcome back to KitCam Design Tutorial. Today we are going to do this type of worm thread in SolidWorks. Now, first of all, open this our thread profile folder. Now, first of all, go in this PC to this PC and see in SolidWorks in our C drive. Now, open our SolidWorks profile. Now, go through the program data and now SolidWorks version and thread profile. Now select the metric die, copy and paste it. Now rename this file and rename this file, type home thread. Now done. Now select this file and open it in SolidWorks. Now see this type of profile. Now go to this thread profile and edit. Now normal this profile and first of all delete all dimension. Now make this type of profile, worm profile, and this degree will be 29, height of thread will be 0.69 into pitch. Now first of all select smart dimension and see this is our degree. Now see this degree will be 29, teeth length will be 0.34 into pitch and pitch will be 1 mm and height of thread will be 0.69 into pitch. Now this teeth length of our thread will be 0.34 into pitch, means 34 into 1, 0.34 into 1. Now done. Now select this line. Now first of all see the height 0.69 into pitch. Now select this line and this line. This is our thread height and this height will be 0.69 into pitch into 1. Now done. Now select this. Now see this is our degree, two thread between degree. This degree will be 29. This will be 29 and done. Now see our profile will be done. Now see all dimension and our sketch will be fully defined. Now go to draw one center line like this and this center line dimension will be 1 mm. Now done. Now see this is our all dimension and done. And go to this configuration, this select the first configuration and go to its property. Now type configuration name worm thread. Now done. Now select this worm thread name and copy it and paste in description and paste. Now done. Now go to this configuration name and select configuration name. Now see this is update. Now select this OK. Now see our all worm thread profile are ready. Now see this is our worm thread profile and go to this part and save our profile. This is our worm thread profile. Now save it. Now go to this new and draw one cylinder to make a thread. Now go to first of top plane sketch. Now change dimension. Now top plane and sketch. Now select circle and draw circle and this dimension is 15 mm and OK. Now go to feature and extrude boss base. Now done. This height of extrude up to 30 mm. Now done. Now apply chamfer on both end of cylinder. Now select chamfer and this. Now this dimension is 1 mm and done. Now see, this will be done. Now make a thread on this outer surface. Now go to this hole wizard feature and thread like this. Now first of all select our thread type. This is worm thread and select our profile. Scroll down and this profile worm thread. Now done. Now select this pitch. Pitch will be 2 mm and this thread location. Pitch will be 2 mm and see, this is our thread location and select this outer edge. Now done. Now done. Now go to this pitch and this pitch dimension will be 5. First of all see the preview. Now go to select up to selection and select this face. Now done. Now go to this offset and apply offset 3 mm. Starting thread offset, this will be 5 mm in reverse direction. Now see, our thread will be done. Now change this offset up to 5 mm. Now done. Now scroll down and pitch will be 2 mm. Now see, this will be bigger and this type 1 mm. Now done. So our thread will be perfectly done and select this OK and all features are same. Now see, our thread will be performed on SolidWorks. Worm thread are done. Now see our final worm thread. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe channel for more new tutorial.